The 2008 Kia Sedona. Sedona has the highest safety rating of any minivan on the market. With its comfortable ride, quiet cabin, and seating for up to 7 passengers, the Sedona is a great choice for any on-the-go family and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: cruise control, fog lights, rear window defroster, leather-wrapped steering wheel, colored door handles, body side moldings, tire pressure monitoring system, roof rack, 4-piece floor mat set. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.